Hello everyone, I am Anshuman S. Mooduk from MDB Electrosoft Private Limited. We make you technically confident. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम फॉर एम्बुलेंस और इमरजेंसी एम्बुलेंस. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि ड्यूरिंग अ टाइम ऑफ नीड जब भी कोई इमरजेंसी पेशेंट अगर एम्बुलेंस में है तो एम्बुलेंस शुड गेट एज क्लियर पाथ as it could get to the hospital, and most of the time ambulance gets stuck in the traffic due to the traffic signals. So in this project we are going to design a system or devices which will help the ambulance to get a clear path to the hospital in time of need. So in this video we'll be discussing about the components we'll be using in this project, as well as we'll discuss the block diagram of this project. Let us start with the components. In this project we are having two boards. First board will be assembled inside the ambulance, while the second will be assembled at a traffic signal. Let us discuss the components we'll be using in the first board, which is installed inside the ambulance. We will be using switches, mainly 4 switches to tell the board from which way the ambulance will be coming. Then we are having LoRa module. LoRa module is a long range module. Wireless communication, we'll be using this for wireless communication. Then we are having Arduino Uno as a controller board. Then we are having second board, which is connected at the traffic poles. Here we'll be having Arduino as the controller. Then different 4 signals. Each signal will have 3 LEDs: red, yellow, green. Then we are having another LoRa module which will act as a receiver and receive data from the ambulance. Now let us move on towards the block diagram of this project. As can be seen in the block diagram of the first board, we are using Arduino Uno as a main controller board. Then LoRa module is connected to the Arduino as the transmitter module. It will transmit the data from this Arduino to the another Arduino. Then we are having switches. There will be mostly 4 switches to indicate from which way the ambulance will be arriving. Like here we can see this is a square. We are having 4 ways. So let us name the ways as way 1, way 2, way 3, way 4, and this is the hospital. If the ambulance is arriving from way 1, then the person inside the ambulance will need to push the button off for way 1. So all the traffic signals will shift, like the traffic light for the signal for way 1 will be green, like this S1 will be green, while S3, S4 and S2 will turn red, so the ambulance can get us straight away to the hospital. If the ambulance is arriving from way 2, then the signal 1, signal 4 and signal 2 will turn red, and signal 3, which is right in front of, which is the signal for the way 2, will turn green, so the ambulance can get a clear path to the hospital. Now the board which will be connected at the traffic pole. This board will have 4 signals: signal 1, signal 2, signal 3 and signal 4 for each route of the square. Then we are having another LoRa module. In this case the LoRa module will act as a receiver, because this LoRa module will receive the data transmitted from that another LoRa module. And as we have already discussed, we are using Arduino Uno as the controller board. Hopefully you understood the project. Related videos link will be in our description. Thank you.